Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Football now, as the Inter-Secondary School Sports Association, ISA, has lost its title sponsor for its flagship football competitions, the Manning and the Costa Cup, less than a month before the start of the season. This as Flow Jamaica this afternoon announced that it has ended its partnership with ISA after 5 years. The deal, signed in 2012, was valued at $150 million. According to the statement issued by Flow, it has also ended its support of the popular Flow Super Cup, which began in 2013. Flow gave no reason for its decision not to extend its support, but revealed that its partnership with ISA for the schoolboy football program, including the Flow Super Cup, came to a contractual end in December 2017. Efforts by TVJ Sports to contact ISA President Dr. Walton Small, Vice President Keith Wellington, and Competitions Officer George Forbes were unsuccessful as their telephones went to voicemail.